Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung ano ang aabangan mo sa year 2026. Ayan, malapit na yun. Meron pa rin naman kayong full reading for 2026. So, abangan nyo yan sa November or December. So, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services. Hanggang September lang yan, 2025. Oo. So, mag-book na kayo. Yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan, paalala lang, ang reading na to ay general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Scorpio, anong aabangan sa inyo ngayong 2026? Anong aabangan nyo? Ayan, uy. You have Suwilu. This is energy, illumination, joy, and light. So, maaring you are stepping into your light, kumbaga. So, pwedeng you are getting a lot of attention, no? Maraming attention na mapupunta sa inyo ngayong 2026. Maaring you are stepping into your own power. Meron ka mga gagawin na talagang yun yung gusto mo, no? You are breaking free. Umaalis ka na sa limitations mo. Mas nagiging experimental and at the same time creative. You also have Thurisa. So this is about protection and defense. So maaring ngayon 2026, kailangan mo rin proteksyonan yung energy mo, or yung tipong maging alerto ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo, kasi lalo na kung ikaw ay you are getting a lot of attention, yung iba certain level of fame, nagiging sikat ka, gumaganda yung buhay mo, meron ka meron diyang maiintriga at may inggit sa'yo. So, yeah. So, protectionan mo yung sarili mo. And then you have Berkanu. Berkanu is about new beginnings. So, may bagong simula, bagong i-explore sa buhay mo, bagong kabanata. So, maaring ikaw ay magsisimula ng bagong relationship, bagong business, bagong project, trabaho. Yung iba sa inyo, trabaho to, career, 10th house. So, maaring negosyo rin, no? Na mas ma-excite ka kasi, kumbaga, ginagawa mo tong negosyo na to dahil ito talaga yung gusto mo. Ito yung aligned sa iyong, or naaayon sa iyong talento, galing, at passion. Let's see what else. For Scorpio, ano yung aabangan sa mga Scorpio ngayong 2026? Anong aabangan ng mga Scorpio? Overall energy, challenge, opportunity, blessing. That makes sense. Yung iba sa inyong new beginnings ninyo ay bagong relationship, or mahanap nyo na yung magpapasaya sa inyo. You have bottom of the deck, King of Wands. You are going to be motivated. Someone na creative, hindi nahihiya na magpakita. Diba, normally mga Scorpio, introverted. But ngayon 2026, you're going to show off your talents, your skills. You're going to showcase your abilities. You have the Justice card kasi I think na-realize mo na sa panahon ngayon, hindi na uubra yung nahihiya ka, no? Mas maganda ngayon maging competitive. So I feel like you're going to be more competitive, showing your abilities. Mas ini-improve mo rin yung knowledge mo. Yung iba nag-aaral, 8 of Pentacles, you are mastering your craft sa business, sa negosyo. May inaaral ka, no? Hard work, yung hard work ninyo, meron tong magiging magandang resulta. Ace of Swords, you have a new idea or a decision making na gagawin. Medyo mahirap siya na i-execute, medyo mahirap siya na panindigan, pero gagawin mo pa rin kasi kaya mo. Yes. You have the Six of Pentacles as your overall energy. Ito ay balance, no? Harmony when it comes to your finances, your resources. So, hindi mo kailangang problemahin yung iyong income. Kasi, syempre, kailangan mag-work ka rin, no? Kailangan may source of income ka. Kung wala ka mang work ngayon, meron kang inaasahan. So, kailangan, yung effort mo, kasi ito ay balance. Kung ano yung effort na binibigay mo, yun din yung makukuha mo. So, rest assured na, kung ano yung dine-deserve mo. So, karmic rin kasi yung energy na to. So, some of you are also focused on your family. Maaring mas makakatulong ka sa family mo ngayon. Mas may improve mo yung situation ninyo financially. Now, your challenge is the High Priestess, which is about some secrets. Maaring merong secrets na ma-reveal or may matutuklasan ka na maaring somehow damdamin mo or hindi mo magustuhan. But, kahit na gano'n, no, at least nalaman mo yung totoo. And another challenge here is yung iyong instinct, yung inyong intuition. May mga times na nagda-doubt kayo sa inyong kakayanan, no? So, when you already step into your own power, talagang 100% dapat magtiwala ka sa sarili mo. Do not doubt yourself. And then, your opportunity is the Nine of Cups, which is about optimism, happiness, wish fulfillment. So, meron kang wish na matutupad. Tingnan natin saan yan. Fourth house, may kinalaman sa family. Ano man yung wish mo na yan sa family, sa bahay, yan, matutupad yan. May opportunity ka na ma-accomplish, ma-fulfill yan ngayong 2026. Gusto mo magpagawa ng bahay, bumili ng bahay, makapag-travel kayo as a family, magkita na kayo ng taong hindi mo nakikita na kapamilya mo, or maging maayos yung samahan ninyo sa family ninyo. This is also your foundation. So, mas may improve mo, mas magiging strong yung foundation mo para mas maging madali sa'yo na ma-achieve yung mga goals mo kasi nga naniniwala ka na sa kakayanan mo. Your blessing is the Ace of Cups. So, this is a new beginning. Yung iba sa inyo, relationship to. Kung gusto nyong pumasok sa isang relationship, then there's a blessing for you. If pregnancy naman, maaring yes, there is a blessing of pregnancy here sa 2026. Another blessing for you is finally, magagawa mo na talaga yung gusto mo. Like something that you really love to do or you're passionate about. Money, career, finances. Eight of Pentacles. 2026 is a busy year for you. Marami kang gagawin, maraming ideas, overflowing ideas, different directions na susubukan mo. And you are bound to be successful. Nandun yung direction, dun yung trajectory ng direction mo, which is to become successful in your career, in your finances, in your business, dahil mas magiging matalas yung isip mo, sa decision making, sa pag-create ng mga bagong opportunities at sa mga ideas na susubukan mo. Now, for your love life, Eight of Wands, the Hermit. So, Eight of Wands is about good news. Maaring if you are in a relationship right now, may travel opportunities for you with your person. Kumbaga magkakaroon kayo ng solo moment, solo talaga. Yung bang masusolo mo yung person mo. Like, magkakaroon kayo ng intimate time together, na makapag-usap, makapag-plano for your future. If you're single, meron ditong person na darating sa buhay mo na babago ng perspective mo pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon. Kasi I feel like this person is masyado siyang persistent. Yung bang patutunayan niya sa'yo na talagang gusto ka niya. Gusto ka niyang makasama. O, diba? Napaka-romantic. Okay, let's see what else. Ninth house, exploration. Maraming travels for you. ngayong 2026. Same thing, itong Amum Coeli is your root, your foundation. Some of you, meron kayong mga reunion na gagawin, no? With your family members or yung mga malalapit na kaibigan nyo before na magkakaroon kayo ng time na mag-get together. You also have Uranus, which is about change. Meron ditong unexpected change. Pwedeng unexpected change sa mga plano ninyo. Or this can be parang bagong ideas or parang eureka moment na babago sa buhay mo. Like yung idea na yon di mo akalain, yun yung babago sa buhay mo. You have the 5th house, something creative itong change na darating sa'yo. So, creative change. Let's see what else, Scorpio. Merong blockage na matatanggal, no? Matatanggal mo tong blockage na to. Something na parang nararamdaman mo na feel mo na you are stuck. So, matatanggal mo yung blockage na yan. And that will lead to new beginnings, a fresh start, something na hindi mo akalain na maa-achieve mo or mangyayari, may experience mo ngayong 2026. Some of you, like example, travel opportunities or sa business, magkakaroon ka ng successful na negosyo na sisimulan mo ngayong 2026. Or source of income, bagong trabaho. Sensitive soul, strengthen your boundaries and cut cords. Ayan. So, some of you, meron kayong, magsiset kayo ng boundaries sa isang tao or sa isang sitwasyon. Kumbaga, alam mo kung ano yung limitations mo. Na hindi ka laging available para sa lahat. Although, you help others, but also, ayaw mo rin na ikaw ay i-take advantage ng ibang tao. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.